Replacing the speed control unit. In this DIY repair video, we'll be showing you how to replace the speed control unit in case your unit is faulty and you can no longer change the speed of your machine even after replacing the potentiometer. What you need for this video is a regular screwdriver and a new speed control unit. Consult your manual for the right model for your machine. First, remove the back panel from your machine. Gently pull out the second layer of the back panel, which holds the speed control unit. The faulty unit looks the same as the new one, so make a picture of how the wires are connected, as these need to be disconnected from the old unit and reconnected on the new one in the exact same manner in a later step. Now first prepare the new unit by loosening the wire clamps a bit, as shown in the video. Otherwise the clamps might resist too much and you cannot connect the wires easily later. You can now do two things. Either first remove the faulty unit and detach all its wires and then install the new unit, referring to the picture you took earlier, or detach each wire and connect it to the new unit one by one, as shown in this video. Once the old unit is completely replaced with a new one, put the layer back in place and use the back panel you removed earlier to secure it. That's it, you've replaced the speed control unit. For more information, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, click that like button, leave your comments below and visit our website at EUROBOOR.com. Thanks for watching and see you next time.